In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gemini to your Google search results in just 5 minutes. It's an incredibly simple and effective process that will enhance your search results by including AI-generated answers. This feature is part of Google's AI overviews, known as Gemini in Search, and can be a great tool for getting more comprehensive information right on your search page. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to labs.google.com. This is where Google is testing out some of its latest features, including the one we're going to activate today. If you haven't already bookmarked it, consider doing so for easy access in the future. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. It's important to make sure you're logged into the account that you regularly use for Google searches. This ensures a seamless experience and proper integration of the Gemini feature into your searches. If you're not yet signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once you've done that, you should be all set to proceed. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to locate AI Overviews, Gemini in Search. This may appear as an option or feature within the Labs interface, so take a moment to browse through the options if you don't see it immediately. The AI Overview feature is designed to enhance your search results with AI-generated insights that can provide additional clarity and information. Once you've found the AI Overviews, Gemini in Search, you'll want to toggle the Try AI Overviews option on. This enables the Gemini feature, allowing you to preview AI-assisted search results in action. Make sure the toggle switch is turned on, indicating that the feature is activated. You'll notice that this doesn't take any additional setup once it's enabled. It's seamless and ready to go. With the AI Overviews now enabled, you'll want to head over to google.com, which is the main hub for your Google searches. Perform a search as you normally would, type your query into the search bar and hit enter. What you'll notice is that alongside your normal search results, you'll now see a Gemini-generated answer at the top of the page. This answer is designed to provide you with a quick, AI-curated overview of your search query, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully added Gemini to your Google search results. This feature is not only efficient, but it can also enrich your search experience by providing more diverse and comprehensive information at your fingertips. I hope you find the AI-generated insights helpful in your day-to-day searches. Thanks for watching and happy searching.